Good day, everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Blaine. And this is your beginner dictation number 61. The topic today is going to be parts of speech with a focus on adverbs. Do you have your pen and your paper ready? Because remember that you are going to listen and then write what you hear. This video will have 7 dictations. I will say each one 3 times. Do not worry if you make a few spelling mistakes. Do not worry if you can't write every word. You will get better with practice. Each sentence contains an adverb which modifies a verb. After you write your dictation, find the adverb and the verb it modifies. So remember, after you write your dictation, find the adverb and the verb that it modifies. Here is an example. If I say, my son quickly washed the dishes. My son quickly washed the dishes. You will write this on your paper, and then you will look for the adverb, quickly, and then you will look for the verb, washed. So my son quickly washed the dishes. This is the adverb, and this is the verb. Okay, everyone, let's get on to it. Let's get started with our dictation number 1. The girls climbed the stairs together. Period. The girls climbed the stairs together. The girls climbed the stairs together. Period. The girls climbed the stairs together. So, can you find the adverb? The adverb in this example, in this dictation, is together. And what about the verb? Can you see the verb? The verb is climbed. The girls climbed the stairs together. Dictation number 2. Dictation number 2. Our cat quietly slept by the window. Period. Our cat quietly slept by the window. Period. Our cat quietly slept by the window. Period. Our cat quietly slept by the window. Now, can you find the adverb? It is right here, and the verb is right here. Now, you can say our cat quietly slept by the window, or you can say our cat slept quietly by the window. So you can say it like this, or you can say it like this. Okay, everyone, let's move along to our dictation number 3. Dictation number 3. The children sang happily at the party. Period. The children sang happily at the party. Period. The children sang happily at the party. Period. The children sang happily at the party. Now let's look for that adverb. The adverb here is happily, and the verb is sang. The children sang happily at the party. Or we can say the children happily sang at the party. So we can say it like this, or we can say it like that. Okay, let's go on to our dictation number 4. Martha spoke quietly to her friend. Period. Martha spoke quietly. Martha spoke quietly to her friend. To her friend. Period. Martha spoke quietly to her friend. Period. Martha spoke quietly to her friend. Now let's look for the adverb. The adverb is quietly, and the verb is spoke. So we can say Martha spoke quietly to her friend, or we can say Martha quietly spoke to her friend. So we can say Martha spoke quietly to her friend, or Martha spoke, or we can say Martha quietly spoke to her friend, and both of those would be correct. Okay, let's go on to our dictation number 5. Mark quickly cleaned his bookshelf. Period. Mark quickly cleaned his bookshelf. Period. His bookshelf. Period. Mark quickly cleaned his bookshelf. Period. Mark quickly cleaned his bookshelf. Now, where would we find the adverb? The adverb here is quickly, and the verb is cleaned. Mark quickly cleaned his bookshelf. Okay, so let's move along to our dictation number 6. Dictation number 6. My son carefully chose some peppers at the grocery store. Period. My son carefully chose some peppers. My son carefully chose some peppers at the grocery store. At the grocery store. Period. My son carefully chose some peppers at the grocery store. Period. My son carefully chose some peppers at the grocery store. Now, where can we find the adverb? The adverb is here, it's carefully, and where can we find the verb? is here. Carefully chose. My son carefully chose some peppers at the grocery store. Okay, everyone, this video is going by so quickly. We are already on to our last dictation, our dictation number 7, the last dictation of this video. The little kitten playfully climbed the tires. Period. The little kitten. The little kitten playfully climbed the tires. The tires. Period. The little kitten playfully climbed the tires. The little kitten playfully climbed the tires. Okay, so again, let's find that adverb, which is here, playfully, and the verb is right here, climbed. The little kitten playfully climbed the tires. So let's do a quick review, a really quick review. So here we see the verb or the adverb and the verb combinations that we saw in this video. So we had quickly washed, climbed together. We can say slept quietly or quietly slept quietly or quietly slept, sang happily or happily sang, spoke quietly or quietly spoke. And then we had quickly cleaned, carefully chose, and then lastly we had playfully climbed. Now again, in some cases you will have the adverb and then the verb, or we can have the verb and then the adverb in some cases. Well, I want to thank all of you for watching this video. I really do appreciate all of you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave your comments or questions, if you have any, in the comment section below the video, and I will very happily respond to those. And if you like this video, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope to see you soon in the next video, and have yourself a fantastic day.